foot is an incredibly complex mechanism. These include bones and joints, ligaments and tendons, muscles, nerves, and blood vessels. The ankle joint is sometimes referred to as a mortise and tendon joint. The two bones of the lower leg, the large tibia and the smaller fibula, come together at the ankle joint to form a structure known as a mortise. One of the larger bones of the foot, the talus, forms the tendon of the ankle joint by fitting into the mortise formed by the tibia and fibula. The mortise and tendon structure is well known to carpenters and craftsmen who use this joint in the construction of everything from furniture to large buildings. The arrangement is very stable. The two bones that make up the back part of the foot, sometimes referred to as the hind foot, are the talus and the calcaneus or heel bone. The talus is connected to the calcaneus at the subtalar joint. The hind foot is connected to a set of 5 tarsal bones that work together as a group. These bones are unique in the way they fit together. There are multiple joints between the tarsal bones. When the foot is twisted in one direction by the muscles of the foot and leg, these bones lock together and form a very rigid structure. When they are twisted in the opposite direction, they become unlocked and allow the foot to conform to whatever. The big toe or hallux is the most important toe for walking, and the first MTP joint is a common area for problems in the foot. Ligaments are the soft tissues that attach bones to bones. Tendons are soft tissue structures that attach muscles to bones. Both of these structures are made up of small fibers of a material called collagen. The collagen fibers are bundled together to form a rope-like structure. Ligaments and tendons come in many different sizes, and like rope are made up of many smaller fibers. The thicker the ligament or the tendon, the stronger the ligament or tendon is. The large Achilles tendon is the most important tendon for walking, running, and jumping. It attaches the calf muscles to the heel bone to allow us to raise up on our toes. The posterior tibial tendon attaches one of the smaller muscles of the calf to the underside of the foot. This tendon helps support the arch and allows us to turn the foot inward. The anterior tibial tendon allows us to raise the foot. Two tendons run behind the outer bump of the ankle, called the lateral malleolus, and help turn the foot outward. There are a set of tendons that bend the toes down or flex the toes, and a set of tendons that straighten or extend the toes. The tendons that flex the toes are called the flexor tendons. There are 2 flexor tendons on the undersurface of each toe. The toes work. Damage to some of these muscles can cause problems in the foot. Most of the muscles of the foot are arranged in layers on the sole of the foot or the plantar surface. There they connect to and move the toes as well as provide padding underneath the sole of the foot. The main nerve to the foot, the tibial nerve, enters the sole of the foot by running behind the inside bump on the ankle, or the medial malleolus. This nerve supplies sensation to the toes and sole of the foot and controls the muscles of the sole of the foot. Several other nerves run into the foot on the outside of the foot and down the top of the foot. These nerves primarily provide sensation to different areas on the top and outside edge of the foot.